Alright, we'll get Killiney Beach starting at the gate. It's sandbagged so the water doesn't come in from this side. Sandbags tied into the Tiger Dam. Sections of the dam that rolled into the lake during the big storm obviously got punctured by debris or rocks on the beach. And you come up to the section here where the Tiger Dam failed, and yesterday evening the EOC arranged for some riprap. Kind of small chunks, but hopefully this will help protect the road, and if they redeploy the Tiger Dam, help protect that as well. Come back in here, another section, looks like about 3 sections of 50-foot sections we lost. Another section where the Tiger Dam rolled off of the supports that they put in for it and into the lake. This was right up on the edge of the road. Hopefully it'll still provide protection to the road. And the ditch is full on the other side. None of the culverts are working, haven't been working for quite some time. More water coming from upslope from some rains and heavy storms, and we're gonna have water on both sides of the Tiger Dam. And see where we've got new riprap along this section here. It's probably been 40 years or more since riprap's been added to the beach here. Along here. Also provide protection that we weren't getting before. Hopefully keep our road in place. And get rid of all this riprap into the lake. And another section down here where we've had